Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show the fun chat with the Marriott hotel fraud agent. Everyone know that Marriott is a very big group of five-star hotels all around the world. Wherever the place you go in the world you can see the Marriott hotels, and they are the very big group and very big properties, and all of the hotels maximum are five-star and five-star deluxe hotels. So getting job in these hotels are really very tough because they have their own recruitment process, they have their own recruitment systems. So and also, just when I was just going through my Facebook pages, I saw there is a ad that Marriott Hotels is having a job vacancy in Canada for commie chef, cook, everywhere. Lots of positions like waiters, housekeeping, everything was there. Then I know that this agent is fraud, so just I have a chat with him in a fun way. So just I will show you how I chat with him and how I started. So yeah, this is the number which is on the top, like +1385. +1 is for the US and Canada, and these numbers they gave because they said that the job is from Canada. So if it is +1, so many people think that yeah they are from Canada, yes, and some uh, guys there in the DP. We really don't know that he is the original person who is taking the interview, or he is a fake one, or he is from the Marriott, or we don't know. Just they give the number and they told you to connect in the WhatsApp. Then I got connected now finally. So first say hi. I saw the ad for the hotel job. Is there any job available for the commie cook? So he said that he is like very fast. He sent me message like, yeah, hello, good day. So official hiring manager of Marriott International Hotel. See, official hiring manager. There is no official hiring manager for Marriott Hotel. Yeah. So yeah, then he asked me what is my just he told me to introduce about myself, and he asked me what can I do for you. Just I tell him my name is Matt. My name is not Matt. I said my name is Matt and I'm looking for a cook job. So what is the procedure? Then he is telling that okay, I will get back to you. I'll throw some question and you please let me know. So if you are really serious for the better future, I can get back to you with the questions. He said like that. I said, yeah, go with that then. He just asked me some various questions like age, country, state, city, job applying, email address, phone number, gender, everything. But I asked that which country this is for. I saw in the ad that it is for Canada, but still I asked him the questions and what he is replying. Then he say immediately replied it is for Canada. It's the Canada Hilton, and he said that it's for Marriott or something. He said I don't know. Then I just give him all the details of them. Yeah, here he written that I want to know that you are applying for the Marriott hotel job, and the job is from Monday to Friday, so you get 2 days off. That's everywhere, and it is a contract of 3 years. Okay, and it is a 6 hours working time and 3 months vacation in a year. I never see that for a cook someone will give 3 months vacation in a year. So these kind of things what he is telling to make you happy so that you can proceed very fast. Yeah. Then here are the vacancies available. That's what he put in his hand, some of the occupation, but here he mentioned the full occupation, so he know that I am asking for the cook. So somewhere he written the cook here, so he written in the 15th or 16th is some commie cooks, Chinese commies and tandoor commie, India commies, they written like that. Then I said, yeah, I have a cook, I have 8 years experience. So he said he's okay. So for your working duty, you will be working from Monday till Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday, Sunday off. So you will rest at home. Of course, off. I will rest at home. Then get ready for work by Monday morning. Hope you understand the point here as well. I don't know what kind of point he is asking, idiot. Then that sounds good. Weekend off is good for me. I told him like that. Then here is the main point. He said that as for your salary, company will be paying you $8,000 per month and a pocket fee of 500 USD per week plus free food and accommodation. I have never heard. I have lots of friends working in Canada. Actually, in Edmonton, Alberta, I have lots of friends. A group of bunch of friends are there. Everyone are hoteliers, and everyone is working in the bakery, pastry, and most of them are chefs. And they are the citizens of Canada there. And I never ever heard until now that there some organization is giving 8,000 US dollar plus 500 US dollar plus free food and accommodation. Really, they will spit on your face. Okay, then they blah blah blah, some entitlement benefits, everything. This I don't know where he copied this from. So yeah, I don't have time to say. Yesterday I understood. Then he finally he's also telling that there are terms and condition. Theft or other dishonest offences will be dealt with. Drunkenness and smoking not allowed. Illegal drug taking policy highly prohibited. So this this kind of funny things and really is asking. I said, okay, I don't drink and smoke, that's fine. Then you can proceed, please. Then finally he come to ask me my resume, my passport size photos, and my international passport. I can send him and I can go further, but I don't want to waste my time with this idiot. So I just stopped there and I asked him that is this a free requirement from the hotel? He said yes. Then still I asked him again if there any agent fee applies in this site, because if yes, I have to start arranging while I am uploading the documents. Then he said yes. Now he is coming to the point. Then I asked him, okay, then can you please tell me how much? Then he is telling only $200. So an agent who is recruiting for the Marriott hotel jobs and is fucking asking only 200 US dollar. That's it. So finally I said okay. Then can you please send me the documents? I say hello. Then I just disconnect him. After that I didn't chat with him. So he also didn't chat with me because he know that I was just playing around with him. So yes, in this video especially I want to show this chatting to most of the people. Some students, they just finish the courses from the college and they want to become a cook or waiter or housekeeping from the hotel management. And some people are working locally in India and all over India in the star hotels as a chef or commis, or they are working in the bar, or then they are as a service waiters or housekeeping. Everybody have a um, everybody want to come abroad for a job. So how we are choosing the person to come to abroad for a job is a must. Actually, I have posted about 3 to 4 videos in my channel. I don't know how many of them go through it, but see, this is one of the example. If some people who never listen to others, who never verify or clarify the job, simply spend $200 on this, they will think that $200 is just for 12,000 13,000 rupees. Okay, just very less for Marriott hotel. Just we can give and we can apply and we can go there and settle down now. It will you will give him his bank details, then finally all the money will get collapsed. So Marriott hotels will not give jobs for money. They will do it for free. If you are really a very good employer and really you got job from them, they won't ask you any money. Wherever you are, they will spend money on you and they will take you if you are a eligible person to work for Marriott, because they are a classic group of hotels. So if someone is cheating you guys with like I am from Marriott, I am from Hilton, I am from Radisson, I am from Sheraton. These are all the big groups of hotels all around the world. I am some so I am from Renaissance. So guys, please beware of these guys. And this is one of my awareness video with example, so how I chat with this idiot from Canada. So don't even spend a single dollar. Yes guys, thanks for watching my video. uh, I have lots of friends all around the world who are looking for a job, who came in a correct pathway, and who also got lots of losses in the money while searching for the job. And lots of people I know that they have given money to the fraud agents. And so as I am giving myself some of the awareness video, I keep on doing this, and I will do that at least in thousand one or two people at least follow this video and beware of the job scammers, so that will this video will be helpful for them. Yeah, thank you very much guys, thanks for today.